These colors are seriously so vibrant. The detail is clean and this is just beautiful. I love that it comes with these stickies instead of having to actually puncture holes into it. That's really nice also. Seriously, the design on this is so detailed. You got the tree of life right in the center mixed with these really pretty mandala patterns that symbolize a fresh start and a little bit of peace for your space. The brand sent this over to me and I'm honestly impressed with the print quality. They use high definition printing, so the colors are super crisp and have that cool retro feel without looking blurry or cheap. It's made of really soft polyester fabric that doesn't fade, and what's great is that it's actually multi-purpose. While I'm using it as a wall hanging, it's durable enough to work as a bedspread, a tablecloth, or even a throw for your sofa. If it ever gets a little dusty or wrinkled, you can just toss it in the wash on cold and hit it with a low iron. It's just a really simple, beautiful way to fill up a blank wall and make the whole room feel a lot more put together and cozy.